Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a talk through tutorial on this makeup look you see here. This is one of my favorite ways to play with color because it's super easy with it being just one shadow. It's such a statement though, and it's so easy to do. It's so fun for summertime. I'm absolutely in love with it. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's just get into it. I'm going to start out by doing a little bit of color correcting with Pixie's Brightening Peach Corrector. And I just like to go in with my finger and then go over any blemishes that I have. And then before foundation, just to add a little bit extra hydration to my skin, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Quick Fix. This is a Hydra Charged Complexion Prep priming spray. And then today for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation. I love this foundation, especially for the summer, because it has a really nice luminous finish. It's a nice medium to full coverage foundation, depending on how much you build it up. And it also has an SPF of 18, which is always awesome. And then for concealer, this probably won't be a surprise, but I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me. Oops. This is just my favorite concealer. I can't seem to get away from it. I've been trying quite a few different concealers recently too, and I just can't seem to find one that will replace this guy. Now again, I'm going to use a staple for my powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte. You guys have probably seen me use this so much on my channel, but again, I've tried quite a few other ones and I just always go back to this one. Super inexpensive. I feel like it does the best job for me, at least. This brush is from Crown Brushes. I mentioned in my last video, I've had it forever. When I bought it, it was actually labeled as a blush brush, but I've been using it to set my under eyes literally ever since, so I guess it wasn't a total waste. And then I go in with this e.l.f. powder brush for the rest of my face, and I make sure to really press it into my skin because you're gonna lose coverage if you do a lot of swirling around. We're gonna go in with bronzer next. I'm gonna use Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I like to hold my brushes at the end so that I have the lightest pressure on my face. And then I didn't pick up any more product for my forehead. And then since I am wearing a tank top today, I'm gonna go through and bronze my whole body basically. Just my chest and my shoulders a little bit to even things out. I mean, I'm not going anywhere after this, but just so me and my cats can see that everything matches, you know? For blush today, we're going to use an Essence blush in the shade Beloved. This will actually be my first time trying it out today, but it looks like a really nice neutral, rosy, pinky, like just everyday nice blush. So I have high hopes. I don't know if I like that brush. I'm going to use this MAC mini one instead. Okay, highlight, my favorite part. I think I'm going to go in with my, whoa, I almost dropped it. Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I haven't used this forever. Okay, let's just try, well, let me turn it this way. Forever Young. Oh, wow. Ow, this highlight isn't the best about showing texture. Now I'm gonna highlight my shoulders and everything. So I'm just gonna go, well, just gonna go all over really. I don't know. Oh, hi. Okay, now we're gonna go in and set it all, make all of those powders melt into the skin. This is like my favorite part, you guys. And I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter. Oh my gosh, setting spray just makes it all come together. Like, I swear, it looks so much better after. Okay, we're gonna fill in our brows really quick next. This is literally all I do. I take my Milani Brow Fix Brow Kit. I just go in with the darker one and fill in the majority of my brow, just like pretty lackadaisically. Is that a word? And then I take the lighter color of the two for the front of my brow and draw like a straight across line, and then I go up and just flick. like so. And then I always go in and set the brows with Benefit's 24-hour brow setter. It's just a clear brow gel, and this stuff is like super glue for your brows. So I think we're gonna do the bright purple therapy sesh, but this one shadow, just like wash of color, would be so pretty with so many of these shades. I'm just taking a big fluffy blending brush to start out with. This one is super old from Sonia Kashuk, but any basic blending brush will do. I'm trying to keep it a little bit lower right now with the concentration of the pigment, just right in the crease. Now that there's like nothing on my brush, I'll go in and diffuse that outer edge. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. I'm excited. Grabbing some more product now, and again, focus it right in my crease. Just really building that color up now. Okay, this next brush is by Anastasia. I think it came in my Modern Renaissance palette, but this is a little bit denser of a blending brush, a little bit more compact, like smaller, so that I can really get into the crease. Now taking a flat brush from Eco Tools to really pack the color on my lid. I'm kind of tipping my head back, even though this isn't a shimmer would have a lot more fallout, but either way, I like to tip my head back a little bit when I'm initially placing the color on to get the least amount of fallout as possible. And then I'm gonna add it to the lower lash line. This is a detailer brush from Real Techniques as well. And I'm bringing this all the way into the inner corner, like all the way across the lower lash line today. And I'm making it pretty dramatic, as you can see. I'm blowing it out quite a bit, making it really smoky. I look crazy now with one eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I look really super crazy. I think for my brow bone, I'm just gonna use Certified in the palette. It's just the matte white, and go in with our original blending brush and just diffuse that edge there. And then for our inner corner, let's just use the highlight we used on our face, Forever Young by Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero. Okay, so that is literally it for the eyeshadow. Super, super easy. So I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara and just coat my top and bottom lashes. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna start by lining them with Maybelline's lip liner in the shade Beige Babe. And I like to overdraw it just a little bit in the center and keep the corners of my mouth really close to my natural lip line. Okay, on top, I'm gonna try this Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick in the shade Hopeless Romantic. This stuff is like thick. It's pretty sticky too. Should I add more? Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of lip gloss on top. This is from Bite Beauty in the shade Rambutan. Oh yeah, good decision. Okay, y'all. I am super in love with this look, and it's super easy with one shadow. I can't wait to do this technique with some different pops of color. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that thumbs up for me so that I know to do more like this in the future. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, as well as the little bell next to it, so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!